Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be discussing two very important topics, which is financial freedom and financial confidence. Most people miss these two as one, or they know more about financial freedom than they know about financial confidence. Now, to begin, what is financial confidence and what is financial freedom? Before we continue, please hit on the subscribe button so that whenever I put any video, you will be notified promptly. Again, my name is Lokosu Silver and I'm an author and entrepreneur. On this channel, I share with you tips on marketing, sales, and making money online. So without any delay, let's go into the definitions and the rest of the topic. Number one, financial freedom is your financial ability to stay for a period of time without actively working. Financial freedom means being able to stay for a period of time, which is defined mostly a period of at least a year without working and still being financially strong. Now, what is financial confidence? Financial confidence is your ability to earn money anytime you choose, even if you don't have enough money in the bank or in assets right now to be able to not work for a period of time. Now, what brings financial freedom? Number one, assets. Now, if you have a piece of real estate being managed somewhere and you can afford to live on the income that comes from that piece of real estate, that is your asset. And of course, is an instrument for financial freedom. Number two, savings. Savings is a very important part of financial freedom because at the end, cash is king. Now, what are some of the elements that you need for your own financial confidence? As I said, financial confidence is that your ability to earn even if you are broke right now or you don't have any cash sitting on the bank. The number one way to be financial confident is to have a skill. If you have a skill, you know that at the end, you may be broke right now, but your ability to earn with your skill is very high. Let me give you an example. Let's take an example of a carpenter. When a carpenter is broke, he knows that he is broke. He is not financially free, but he can be able to earn money if he can render his own service to anyone that will need it. That is financial confidence. The next element for financial freedom is not just income, is high income skill. What do I mean by high income skill? High income skill has become one of the trends of the century. And what is high income? What are some of the high income skills that you need to develop your own financial confidence? The number one is copywriting. Copywriting is simply salesmanship in print. Your ability to write your ability to write to convince a potential buyer to buy from you. That is financial confidence. The number two, that is high income skill, sorry. The number two is landing page designing. Now, if you have bought any of my products in the past, you discover that the page where you went to click to the next step where you get that product is somehow designed in such a way that you can concentrate on what you are reading alone. You can concentrate on reading only about that product. So that is what is called landing page. So your ability to design landing page for your own product or to help others design their product is another high income skill. Another high income skill is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing, most people confuse this. Most people confuse affiliate marketing to a new generation network marketing. Though I'm not ignorant of some people using it that way, especially in Nigeria, but the truth of affiliate marketing is whether you recommend, whether you earn from it or you do not earn from it, you are always or almost every time going to recommend the product, whether you earn from it or not. So the best thing to do is, since you are going to recommend it anyway, you just have to recommend it and earn from it. Recently, most people have earned as high as 50% of whatever product they are recommending as affiliates. Now, let's assume a product is 100K and your share as an affiliate is 40%, which means you are earning 40K only by recommending that product. And of course, as usual, affiliate marketing, an active affiliate marketer have a lot more to do than just recommending a product. Now, if you are new on this channel and you have not gotten my free book on online sales secret, please check below. I will leave a link to a copy of it so you can download it. It's totally free. So let's move on. The next skill for financial confidence is most people won't like this. That's why. The next skill for your financial confidence is being a salesperson. Now, there is no doubt that many of the world's richest people are salespeople. Money is in the sales. Let's take an example. Trump, Grant Cardone, Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad Poor Dad. These are all salesmen. And one of the very important thing about being a salesperson is it will help your life upgrade 60 degrees. Being a salesperson is one of the highest income skill, both in life and in the aspects of your finance. in the aspect of your finances. Now, how do you become a salesperson? I'm going to go into details here because it is a very important skill that everyone who wants to live a seamless life to learn. You can learn sales by modeling those who have gone ahead of you. Of course, most when you read the cover of a book, you don't see best writing author, you see best selling author. Why? Because the focus of a product is more about how many, or the success of a product is more about how many it sells more than how good it is. Because the money is not in the praise, but in the sales, in the amount of units that product or service is being sold. So those are some of the highest income skill that you need for your personal sales. Sorry, those are some of the things you need for your financial confidence. I hope this video helped you. Of course, as you know, we are doing this video live, so you get the opportunity to get it exactly as it comes out from my mouth. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and of course, don't forget, I will leave a link to join my email list where I send messages on financial literacy, personal and business growth, and how to make money online. So, if this is something you want, please check below. I leave a link there. Thank you very much. Again, my name is Lokosu Sylvain, and I say bye.